How to fix error network access denied in Chrome. 1. Run Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 2. Make Chrome accessible on Windows as built-in firewall. 3. Turn off proxy servers. 4. Disable antivirus software. 5. Delete all browsing history. 6. Perform Chrome browser reset. 7. Disable third-party extensions. Note, you may need to disable proxy-related extensions or extension. 8. Use the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 9. Delete Chrome profile at %localapp.a %google/chrome/user data/. 10. Power cycle your router, if any. 11. Change to an alternate network connection, if you can. 12. Check and change current IP address if you're using a Wi-Fi router. 13. Uninstall then, reinstall network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 14. Flush DNS via IP protocol configuration /flushdns command. 15. Reset TCP/IP. Commands, netshare int IP reset netshare int IP reset reset pip.txt. Netshare int IPv4 reset.